Welcome to our vlog!
Good morning, guys! Happy Wednesday! 11:40 na. We just finished lunch. We had munggo. Sarap. And parang inihaw na pork belly. Yummers! And today's weather is a bit better kasi gloomy, drizzling, and hindi kasing init. It's 24 degrees. So, yan, hindi ganun kainit. Pero, yung plan na dapat parang safari zoo, kineme na yung hindi ka bababa ng sasakyan, tas yung mga animals yung lalapit sa'yo. We changed plan kasi baka ano yata, maputik. Kaya, we are going to water park. I think that's the Kalahari Water Resort something. It's a hotel din, pero pwede din yung mga public mag-swim. Syempre with a fee. So, yun na ating gagawin today. Nakaano na ako, swimsuit na ako. Pinahiram na lang ako ni ate anong kanya. Tapos, yung mga bata, meron din from yung kanyang panganay. So, sakto naman din. And yeah, we're going soon. We need to go soon kasi, you know, sayang oras. So, let's see. Let's see if I can take videos there. Kasi dun sa Singapore. Sa Canada, yung pinupuntahan namin na swimming sa parang swimming complex, bawal mag-camera, bawal mag-take ng videos and pictures. So, let's see how it goes here. We are here! Yung tomfooleries. And Kinder Water Park. So, meron siyang parang arcade. Yeah. Kami lang, hindi na sumama yung kapatid ni Rocha na isa, tapos si ate, hindi, drop off lang niya kami dito. This is a child's dream talaga. Wow! May rides pala, Zach! There's a ride! So, padadaanin ka talaga muna sa arcade bago makapasok sa water park. Kaya itatempt ka muna. We're in! We have wristbands. It's a big one. Wait. You did it! Uh-oh. Yes! They have alcoholic drinks. Love it. Okay, this is the wave pool. And ang taas ng slide na yun. Oh gosh. Snack time. We got pepperoni pizza and loaded fries. Good. Zeb is still there. Here's the outdoor pool. And ito yung mga slides from the inside. And then doon merong bar. Pang adults lang. Okay guys, we are done. 6:30 na. Hintayin lang namin si ate. Sunduin kami dito. Mga 30 minutes daw siya makakarating. So, labas muna kami. Hindi rin ako makapag-vlog doon kasi kaka-copyright ako dahil lakas ng music. So, yeah. Enjoy naman. Kailangan sulitin kasi $50 per person ang entrance. Thank you. gonna play here at the arcade. Okay, meron pang ganito, oh, parang, what do you call that? Obstacle course. Meron din ganon. I don't know how that works. Oh! Try that! Yeah, it's okay. It's two people already. Okay. Hey guys, we're back home. It's 7:45. So tired, but you're tired, but did you enjoy?
Yes.
Had fun? Can you rate it?
10 out of 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yes.
What would make it 10 out of 10?
If it wasn't so dirty, the bathrooms are dirty, the showers are dirty.
Is it? The women's are not. Why is it dirty in the men's? I don't understand. Ah, men. Really? Excuse me. Anyways, waiting lang kami for dinner. Naririnig ko si Anika. Hinahanap ako. Where's Tita Mel? Yeah! I heard you were looking for me. Huh?
I will make you 10. No.
Oh no! Okay guys, I'm gonna end the night. It's 9:47. Si Zep nakatulog ng maaga dahil masakit yung ulo from the swimming. Nagsabi na siya kanina nung nag-aaya na siya umuwi dahil masakit ang ulo niya. Sabi niya lalagyan daw ng tubig yung tenga niya. So, yun. Maaga siya nakatulog ngayon. But wala naman lagnat. Check namin ng temperature. And hopefully, wag magkasakit. Dahil mahirap na. Magpa-flight pa kami. Anyway, in-expect ko today, maglalaglagan yung mga kuko ko kasi babad sa tubig. For how many hours kami nasa tubig. Pero, it's still going strong. As hindi ko wala akong It's still going strong naman yung nails ko. Ang galing. Ang ingay ni Anika. So, yan. In-expect ko magpapalit na ako, magtatanggal na ako after ng swimming. But, ang galing. Anyways, I'm just gonna do my nighttime routine. And I will see you tomorrow. Hindi ko alam kung anong plan. Ay, bukas pala is birthday ng mama ni Vince. Pero, sa Friday pa ata kami celebrate. Kasi nga, yung isang kapatid ni Vince, medyo nasa malayong lugar. So, pupunta siya dito sa Friday. Hindi naman malayong lugar. Pero, nasa Texas din, pero nasa work siya. Different place. Anyway, yun lang. I'm gonna end the night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye!